Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest AI and machine learning tutorials. Today, we're diving into reinforcement learning in minutes. Let's get started. Reinforcement learning is a fascinating and powerful area of machine learning. It's used in everything from game playing to robotics and even in financial trading. But what exactly is reinforcement learning and how does it work? Let's break it down. Reinforcement learning, or RL, is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by performing actions in an environment to achieve maximum cumulative reward. Unlike supervised learning, which uses labeled data, RL is based on the idea of learning from interactions and feedback. Imagine a robot learning to navigate a maze. The robot, our RL agent, starts at a random position and tries to find the exit. Each time it makes a move, it gets feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. For example, if it hits a wall, it gets a penalty. But if it moves closer to the exit, it gets a reward. Over time, the robot learns the best path to take to maximize its rewards and reach the exit efficiently. This learning process involves trial and error and is guided by a concept called the reward signal. Let's dive into some key concepts in reinforcement learning. 1. Agent, the learner or decision maker, like our robot in the maze. 2. Environment, everything the agent interacts with, in this case, the maze. 3. State, a specific situation in which the agent finds itself, like the robot's current position in the maze. 4. Action, the choices available to the agent, such as moving left, right, forward, or backward. 5. Reward feedback from the environment, which can be positive or negative, guiding the agent's learning. 6. Policy, a strategy that the agent uses to determine its actions based on the current state. 7. Value function, a function that estimates the expected long-term return with the discount rate, as opposed to the short-term reward. Now let's look at some real-life examples where reinforcement learning is applied. 1. Gaming RL is famously used in gaming. For instance, AlphaGo, developed by DeepMind, used reinforcement learning to become the first AI to defeat a world champion Go player. 2. Robotics. In robotics, RL helps robots learn tasks like walking, grasping objects, and navigating complex environments. Boston Dynamics robots use RL to perfect their movements. 3. Self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla and Waymo use RL to train their self-driving cars to make decisions in real-time traffic. 4. Finance RL algorithms are used in stock trading to optimize trading strategies based on market feedback. Reinforcement learning also plays a role in large language models like GPT-4. Although these models primarily use supervised learning during their training, reinforcement learning is used in fine-tuning stages to improve their performance. For example, reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF, can be used to align the model's responses with human preferences. This involves humans providing feedback on the model's outputs, which is then used to adjust the model's behavior. To summarize, reinforcement learning is a powerful approach where an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with its environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. It's used in various fields, from gaming and robotics to finance and self-driving cars. And it also plays a crucial role in enhancing large language models like GPT-4 through reinforcement learning from human feedback. Thank you for watching Reinforcement Learning in Minutes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Foundation Learning for more AI and machine learning tutorials. See you next time.